I find that totally missing. This culture is missing in India itself. But if you go abroad, the moment somebody finds someone on zebra crossing, they will stop and wave for the pedestrian to go first. Here in India, the culture is that they will honk and ask pedestrian, "Abhi mat chalo, abhi main gaadi pehle jayega." This is a very serious defect in our system, which I tried as my best to enforce in Delhi as Special Commissioner, Head of Traffic Unit in Delhi, habit of road safety in Goa, and I am sure at the end of the year we will have significant reduction in road safety. We have also started contacting each and every school in Goa. We have got teachers appointed as road safety coordinator, with whom we will have very deep interaction with the students, so that this message of road safety spreads to every student. The students carry it home to their family members, to their parents, and to their relatives, and to the society. At least say that we will reduce it, maybe by 5%, maybe by 10%, maybe by 20%. Each life saved is very precious. So I am once again thankful to Honorable Chief Minister Sir that in spite of running assembly session and in spite of his very busy schedule,
त्यामुळे हेल्मेट हे तकलेचेर आसूंक जाय, कोण डिकीत दवरनाराय हांवें पळयल्यात, तकलेर आसूंक जाय. ते पुलिसांक भिवपा खातीर, पुलिसांक फटोवपा खातीर आसचें न्हय. ह्या भावनेंतसून जर आमी चल्ले जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता येणाऱ्या काळान जे गेल्या वर्सा 311 रस्त्याचेर डेथ जाले, I was watching this year, comparatively road death कमी जाल्यात. That is what I feel. पण म्हजो शब्द लागूंक जायना. Let us wait for completion of the year. पण अवेअरनेस जी आसा ती जर आमी खरीच सुरू केली, ताणे ज्यो 3 important E's सांगल्यो, 3 important E's. He said it was engineering of the road, which has been taken care of, and we have identified some hot spots both in north and south, and PWD has been alerted on that to improve the geometry there. Enforcement and education, rather I would say education and enforcement.